All right. Their second favorite playground. They took it all out, and then they at first just put this little part, this very little one over here, which is nice, but all of this was just sand over here. We're like, huh. And now they put this one over here, and this thing's massive. Good job, Alexa. Oh, I see that. This is nice, huh? You guys like this? It's a nice one. That's very nice. What do you think, Ethan?
No, don't do it.
Hey.
Wow. These are too spooky. Wow. These tunnels are too that.
I are.
Yeah. I'm gonna climb on these tunnels. We slow.
You got it, Ethan. Good job, Alexa.
Slow down in the hill.
You got it, Ethan.
This is downhill. Oh, this is uphill.
Well, you got it.
This part.
Hey, go down the other side, buddy.
Down here in the tunnel. Let's
Ta-da.
go down the tunnel. I'm not here.
You are. Hey, you're fine. Good to go down the slide. Yeah, it's nice, huh? Oh, nice. Say hi, Aubrey. Oh, there she is. What do you think, huh? Ta-da. 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 Yeah. Good job. What do you think, huh? What do you think? There she is. Is that good? That can't be good. What do you think? What do you think? Ooh. Ooh. There she is. Okay. What is she doing over there, huh? What is she doing?
Oh, Ethan! You want help, dude? Good job, Alexa. You're a little monkey butt, aren't you? You got it? Here. Whoosh! Fly! You're not old enough to climb up to that thing.
I'm down tunnel.
You want to go up the tunnel? Oh, go ahead.
Hug.
I gotta go play with your sister. What's up, Pink Fluff? Just gonna have a hit up. Want to be the video photographer? Shall I? No, we're doing bubbles.
Alexa, Ethan, I got bubbles.
So Alexa can have the green one, and we can use the. I'll use the yellow one. Okay, you gotta be careful not to spill this. Okay, you remember last time where you accidentally dumped all of it out? Come here, baby.
Hold on.
I want to hold Chase.
On that
No,
one.
you get the green one. The green one is specially formulated for you. Don't spill it. Don't spill it. All right, Aubrey, you ready? There, good job.
Go over there. Here. Oh, you're getting it on her.
There you go. There you go, Ethan. And he squashes them. He's like, I'm gonna smack these things. Come on, let's swim, dude. She's out watching Ethan. Okay, ready, Bubbles? Right back here, pause it. Oops. Ready? Boing! You're supposed to bonk your own head, Aubrey. You're supposed to bonk your own head. Oops. Here.
I'll use these. Oh, use this one.
Sure. And then grab your birdie. Happy?
I'll use this
Abby.
one and I'll
Boing.
grab
Oh.
the-
Abby, ready? Ready? Gotta smack it. Like this.
Woo!
Yeah, cause you gotta hit the ball. Like this. There you go. Or you can smack your head. What are you doing, Goof? Ready? Ready? Wow. Oh, let me see, Alexa. Oh, nice.